Are you considering applying for the Banque Populaire Visa Premier card? In this video, we'll walk you through all the essential details so that you can make an informed decision. Whether you're new to credit cards or just looking to switch, we've got you covered. First, let's talk about what the Visa Premier card offers. This is a premium credit card designed for individuals who want access to exclusive services and comprehensive insurance coverage. With this card, you can enjoy travel benefits, purchase protection, and rental car insurance. It's especially appealing for frequent travelers, as it includes emergency assistance and medical insurance while you're abroad. Now, let's go over the advantages of the Visa Premier card. Comprehensive insurance. With this card, you receive a broad range of insurance protections including travel accident insurance, lost luggage coverage, and even trip cancellation insurance. This is a major benefit if you travel frequently. Access to exclusive events. Banque Populaire Visa Premier cardholders can access invitations to special events, such as concerts, sporting events, and exhibitions, often at a discounted rate. Worldwide acceptance. Like all Visa cards, the Premier version is accepted almost anywhere in the world, making it convenient for both local and international purchases. Travel benefits. The Visa Premier card offers perks such as rental car insurance, legal assistance abroad, and access to concierge services that help with trip planning, restaurant reservations, and more. However, like any credit card, there are also some disadvantages. Annual fee. The Visa Premier card comes with a relatively high annual fee. Depending on your location, this can be around €130 per year. For some users, the benefits may not outweigh the cost. Interest rates. If you're someone who doesn't pay off their balance in full each month, the interest rates on this card can be high. Make sure to check the APR and consider how you'll manage monthly payments. Income requirements. Some people may find it challenging to meet the income requirements needed to apply for this premium card. Service overview. The Banque Populaire Visa Premier offers a wide range of services designed to provide comfort and security. For instance, you can set custom spending limits and benefit from fraud protection. In addition, the card offers contactless payment and can be easily managed through a mobile app. Cost breakdown. Annual fee. As mentioned earlier, this card comes with an annual fee of around €130. Foreign transaction fees. Another cost to consider is the 2% fee applied to foreign transactions, although this is common for many credit cards. Interest rate. The variable APR is between 12% and 19%, depending on your agreement with Banque Populaire. That's an overview of the Banque Populaire Visa Premier card. While the card offers substantial benefits, especially for travelers, you should consider the costs involved and your spending habits. If you're someone who can take full advantage of the card's perks and services, it could be worth it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this video helpful.